What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is a premier platform for tracking cryptocurrency prices, market capitalizations, and trading volumes. Launched in 2013, it provides real-time data on thousands of cryptocurrencies, empowering users with essential tools like charts and historical data to navigate the dynamic crypto market effectively. Now, let's talk about some of its top features. Real-time price tracking. CoinMarketCap provides real-time tracking for cryptocurrency prices, market capitalization, and trading volumes for over 22,000 coins. This feature ensures users have access to most current market data, allowing them to make informed decisions and stay updated on price fluctuations and trends in the fast-paced crypto market. Portfolio Tracker. The Portfolio Tracker enables users to manage their cryptocurrency investments efficiently. Users can input their holdings, track performance, and monitor overall portfolio value. This feature offers customization options and privacy settings, making it a valuable tool for both casual investors and serious traders seeking to optimize their investment strategies. Historical Data Snapshots. Historical data snapshots allows users to explore past cryptocurrency rankings, prices, and market capitalizations. By analyzing this data, users can identify trends and patterns that may influence future market movements. This feature is essential for those conducting research or developing long-term investment strategies based on historical performance. API access. CoinMarketCap's API access provides developers with a powerful tool to integrate real-time and historical market data into their applications. This feature supports automated trading strategies, portfolio management tools, and other innovative solutions. It's ideal for developers looking to create custom applications that leverage cryptocurrency market insights effectively. Mobile app. The CoinMarketCap mobile app brings all the website's features to users' fingertips, customized for mobile devices. With this app, users can track cryptocurrency prices, manage portfolios, and receive alerts on price changes while on the go. It enhances accessibility and convenience for crypto enthusiasts everywhere. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Data reliability concerns. While CoinMarketCap aggregates data from numerous exchanges, discrepancies can arise due to varying reporting practices. This can lead to inconsistencies in price and volume information, potentially misguiding users who rely on the platform for accurate market analysis. Overwhelming information. The vast amount of data and numerous cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap can be overwhelming for new users. Navigating through extensive charts, metrics, and options may lead to confusion, making it challenging for beginners to find relevant information quickly. Limited customer support. CoinMarketCap offers limited customer support options, which can be frustrating for users encountering issues or seeking assistance. The lack of direct communication channels may hinder timely resolutions, leaving users without adequate help when they need it most. In conclusion, CoinMarketCap is a powerful tool for cryptocurrency enthusiasts, offering valuable features for tracking market data. However, users should be aware of potential drawbacks such as data reliability concerns and overwhelming information to make informed investment decisions effectively. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.